Hello inflatable fans! I'm out in Ranby today, somewhere a bit different, never been here before. Mr. Raffles is behind me, raffle ticket. There he is. We've got some other people bobbing along as well, and I'm just going to get set up. It's a bit dark at the moment, so not a lot I can show you really. It's all going on. Mr. 80 Quid's here.
I was wondering whether I need to take any money with me.
Mr. Truffles, he's here with his new Itwit single skin. We've got Oggy with a razor light, but that's not the razor light. So we're out on the Chesterfield Canal. It's a little bit dodgy. Ruddy thing's infested with crocs. One of the first here, one of the last on the water. That's me. Right, get comfy. Quite a nice looking morning. Here we go, there's the boys, look.
I'll get your amber if you want a bit harder.
It's about 10 degrees, and do you know what? It's not feeling that cold at the minute. I've got the gloves with me. Might not need them. This is my second outing in the Aqua Marina Cascade, and I will do a full review on this at some point. So as far as I'm aware now, I've got all the boats that are in this kind of hybrid, sup-kayak hybrid style that are available in the UK. So there's the Go Plus, the Brent, the Spiner, that's it. I have to think of the name then. And then this one, I'm going to call this one Cassie, I think, just because it's simple. Yeah, so I'm going to do some comparison videos. But in the meantime, let's just enjoy the boat and that beautiful skyline, eh? Gotta say, it is nice to be on the water again. Especially somewhere different. Even though I am with, you know...
You're still talking to your imaginary friends?
I'm still talking to my imaginary friends, yeah. Not a bad little place to live, is it, eh? That's alright, isn't it? Don't mind living there. Mind you, you got all these noisy kayakers at stupid o'clock on a Sunday morning going past.
Nothing's gone work.
Nothing?
Your mum, nothing's work.
No.
No, it's hard to do some work. Like I said, certainly the last.
This is a lovely little area, this. Oh, we found the pub. Let's stop. The Checkers mooring, patrons welcome. That's it, this is where we're stopping. Looks like a little cafe boat or something. Oh, Chesterfield Canal Trust, maybe not then. Stale and foreign. Tell you what, but it's lovely down here when these willows are in leaf. So, Mr. Ruffles there, he's in a new craft. It's the Itwit, what is it? Is the Itwit 350 or something? Yeah, at least it's a single skin one. He did have the double skin one, but bugger to dry out.
The drop stitch one.
Drop stitch floor, that one. Yeah, so feel a bit more solid for him. Everybody's got a bit of drop stitch today. Glenn's got a new to him anyway, Sea Eagle, razor light. Aren't they a band?
Yeah.
And yeah, he's finding it a bit tippy compared to what he's used to. If they feel unstable, a bit like the Stories, but once you get used to it, you don't really notice it. Everybody's got a bit of drop stitch. Dave's got a leaky boat. Can you see how soft it is in the middle? Look.
Just with the age.
Raft's out in the Story division. Tell you what, Glenn, when you get used to that, you'll be off like a rocket.
Yeah.
Lovely morning with some nice reflections going on. Swans! Swans, John, turn round! Turn round now! And there's a young'un. Oh, he's taking off. There goes the young'un. You can't beat a good drop stitch floor. They do make an awful lot of difference in terms of your just overall experience in a boat. Feels like you're in a boat.
Yeah.
He says making it look really difficult, and I did make that look difficult today. Ah well, that is a bit squidgy, that, isn't it? Yeah. Got myself a budget drone. Budget drone footage. Let's go for a little nosy, a little wander. Guessing this is the lockkeeper's cottage. It's a lovely little area, this. You all right?
Get on here, sit on your bum and slide down, and I'll video you from there.
Yeah, I'm not sliding down there.
It's look hilarious.
Right, let's see if this dry suit keeps my legs drier, at least. Raf's out testing his suit as well, look. Don't make it look difficult, lads. Yeah, don't make it look difficult. I won't film it, honest.
I don't think this is a good idea. Go on. It might be. Back, watch your back, watch your back.
Yeah, you're getting water in it, or you will do if you're not careful.
This is close. Go on, keep going.
How do you know you're going to be fine?
Oh, well done. Right, good. See ya.
Oh, that was a bit bloody anticlimactic.
Disappointing.
Let's see if we can get Dave to fall in. You watch, I'll end up bloody falling in. Oh, everybody's doing well today. An hour and 5 for me.
You've got burning. Yeah, but you've also got York on your doorstep.
Yeah.
I'm not going to feel sorry for it.
Right, we stopped back at our launch point and we're going to paddle up the other direction for a while. Hello, Sophia. Nice little decals on it. Yeah, again, there's going to be some nice willows down here in spring, isn't there?
Just one of the big ones is enough. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Some nice willows down here, as I say. Look at that. That would be a nice one when it's leafing up. I bet it's lovely down this area in summer when it's all leafed up and green. Whereas at the moment everything's just a mucky brown. Nevertheless, good to be on the water. Even if it is with these. Well, that's weird. Now the wind's against us. Oh, it's a cross actually, isn't it? At least we know why Dave's boat's losing air. It's got a leak in it. Ah, right, okay. Raf's saying he's seen people camping on that side.
Camping out.
I can see the lock up ahead.
He's coming through me. No, don't let him in. Don't let him in. Don't let him in. Push him back.
Oops. Clang.
Wish I can get him from here.
You alright there, Glenn?
Yeah. Massive difference.
Good, aren't they?
Yeah.
What the hell is he doing? God only knows. Right, okay, so he's going to go down there. You got skegging?
Yeah, he's stuck on there.
Might have to have a wade in there. Yeah. Just for the hell of it. Another nice little lock area this, isn't it? I mean, I'd definitely camp on there. Oh, there. I'd definitely camp in this area. I do like a good lock.
I'm thinking about going down him. I'm just wondering if I can do that 80-degree. We'll soon find out. You're going the wrong way, dude. Where's he going? You're supposed to be checking this way out. Check that out.
I'm not going down there because I'll end up sliding over my arm.
You've got to check it out for us. Check for rocks, that's all we want to know. Have we got sharp rocks?
Rocks or crocs? There's a rock. Get the weed. Like, I feel it pulling against your leg.
Yeah. A lot of force in water. Make sure that rock moves for us, will you, mate?
Sealskin gloves. They are quite good gloves, these sealskins.
You ought to do a review on them.
I really ought to do a review on these, yeah.
Rafts in and all now. You alright? We've got it on video.
I've got to admit, I do love the whole dry suit thing.
Till you need a wee.
Yeah.
Till you need a wee.
Yeah, till you need a wee, yeah.
Right, mate, here.
So I'm up to my knees. As I say, quite like the dry suit. It gives you the opportunity to explore things. Quite cool, yeah. Now this madhead, right, he's got a boat with a leak in. Where's your leak? He's got a boat with a leak in, and he's actually talking about actually taking it down there. Oh yeah! He's taking his skegs out, and the madhead's taking a run up. Now he's got to get over that lip. There's quite a lip there. I don't know whether this camera will pick it up, but there's quite a lip on that. Come on then! Don't keep the viewers waiting. This is either going to be an utter disaster. Oh Christ. He's out the seat. He's almost over. He's proper stuck. Oh well, I don't think this is going to be quite the... This isn't going to be quite the drama we thought it was, really, is it? It's a little bit flaccid. It's all going very well He's off. No, he's stuck again.
Come on, yeah, we're off.
Well, that was quite anticlimactic, but entertaining nevertheless. Well, that was a bit of daft fun. Obligatory old man groan. Apparently now I take my hat off, I look like a Klingon. Anyway, I'm getting it wetter because I want to test out this dry suit to see what it's like underwater, and also this flotation device, this agug. So Dave's, I'm going to give camera to Dave and we'll see how this goes.
Me again, mate.
Yeah. You can feel the air moving up the legs. It's silty.
Does that mean he's had a fire?
Bubbles don't look good.
Should do that in River Don, shouldn't
Oh,
I?
yeah.
Oh, do you know what? I can't get my legs back down.
Well, we're not going in after you. Don't come in on your bike.
Well, it's good to know.
Oh, I forgot to press record.
I should be able to touch floor now.
If you can get your feet down.
Oh, that's cold. Oh, cheers. Oh. Well, they all work quite well. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cold on my hands, but I feel warm in the suit, which I guess is the idea. And yeah, no water's got in, so I'm quite glad about that. So this is the Atacama Crew Saver suit. I'll put some links in the description. If you're interested, you can check it out. And for the Agug life vest too. Yeah, I'm quite chuffed about that. I'm just keeping moving because I can feel myself getting cold if I stand around too long in the legs. It's the it's these rubber things where, you know what rubber's like with cold and stuff. It just transfers the heat. All right, thanks for watching. You know what to do with the liking and subscribing thing if you like this. Right, guess we better get everything out of the water.